Brad Williams, XL Prime, the rand function. Rand just means a random number. Actually, it's a random decimal. And if you need to sort, if you need a random sort, let's say I had a bunch of numbers here and they were fixed and I needed some randomness to them. And this is just one way to do it. Do this. You could highlight the area, do an F9, and then do a sort. Just sort by rand, and it'll be either ascending or descending order, wherever you want. It'll put all these in order, and then you'll have a random selection. We can also build that into those numbers, but then you're going to have to copy and paste and all that stuff, okay? The rand function returns a decimal number between 0 and 1 that is generated at random equals rand, no arguments. For example, we'll generate a number such as any of these numbers you want. There's no required arguments for the rand function. Rand performs a recalculation every time you make a change. When I say no arguments, there's nothing like the now function and the today function. Rand's the same thing. You don't need to put anything in between here. We will, in another tutorial, we will throw some stuff in there. We can fine tune this. We can put numbers in here, or we can put specific times. We can put a floor function. We can do all kinds of stuff here. But that's just a quick introduction to the rand function. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.